what it is, a pre-construction agreement, and what does it even matter. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Pre-construction agreement will be something like this. We're gonna build a basic budget that we know what it may take, and with things we know to build your project with allowances. What this gonna do is gonna allow us to put a hold on the price with our suppliers for the material we know. For example, lumber, things that we know that we need for this project, we can put a deposit and make sure the price is not gonna increase. If increase, it's not gonna matter because we already put the deposit for this plan, so we're gonna lock pricing. That's one thing. Also, the thing it's gonna do is, if for example you wanna get your bathroom, your kitchen, and your home addition done for X date, we're gonna able to lock your price in our calendar, and we're gonna back engineer everything to know where we need to start, where the permit is to be finished, where the material needs to be ordered, or like this whole thing is gonna be planned. But the most important thing it's gonna do is lock your pricing with our supplier and with ourselves, get your spot on our calendar, and make sure you become a VIP list client, because we're gonna be producing your job. So with that in mind, it basically puts you in the first. It kind of puts you guys in the first, our priorities after the jobs are we doing. So that's a pre-construction agreement. How do you do it? We gotta build a basic budget just to know where the things may land. With that, we can lock your spot on our calendar. So what does it take to lock the agreement? It's just only 10% of the bigger number, and then with that we start working for you and your project and make sure everything's gonna go smooth for you. Thank you.